Today I'm reviewing this electric shaver. I'm showing you guys what it can do. It has is easy to shave and clean, 3-in-1 shaver, gentle on skin, nose hair trimmer, and a different type of hair trimmer. So let's show you guys. So this is the thing to charge it. Here are sorry. Here is the brushes. So it has a more precision brush and this one. And this is the nose hair trimmer, as you can see here. Very nice. And I like how you can how it has different attachments for your hair and stuff. And here is the hair trimmer itself. It's very nice. My hand's pretty small, so this is a pretty good size for a shaver. And I like that it has a 3 seconds hold, so if you have kids and stuff, they won't be able to turn it on right away. And it's pretty loud, but not too loud that it will hurt your ears after using it for a long time. So definitely do recommend this.